Welcome to Beautyistic, everyone. Have you ever been frustrated with stubborn blackheads or excess shine on your nose? Well, today we have something that promises to tackle both. TONYMOLY's Tako Pore One-Shot Nose Pack. This product claims to deep clean, purify, and smooth your skin, all in one easy shot. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a real honest review like this. Let's get into it. TONYMOLY's Tako Pore One-Shot Nose Pack comes with 3 individual packs, each designed to target blackheads, whiteheads, and clogged pores on your nose. The formula features a combination of charcoal and mud to detoxify the skin, drawing out excess oils and impurities. It's enriched with marine plant extracts, which help condition and soothe the skin after the cleansing process. Sounds like a lot packed into a small strip, right? Now let's talk about how it actually works. After applying, the strip works its magic to unclog pores, lifting away dirt and oil. The charcoal and mud work together to purify and detoxify, while the marine plant extracts nourish and replenish, which helps prevent that tight, dry feeling you sometimes get after using pore strips. It's perfect for anyone who struggles with oily or combination skin. I've tested this myself, and here's how it went. The application was simple. I just wet my nose and placed the strip on. After 10 to 15 minutes, I removed it, and I was honestly impressed by the results. My pores looked visibly smaller, and my skin felt smooth and clean. I noticed that my nose didn't have that greasy shine for hours afterward, which was a nice bonus. The product's promise of tightening pores and controlling sebum definitely held up for me. But no product is perfect. One thing I did notice is that if you have very sensitive skin, the strip may feel a bit harsh during the removal process. It's not painful, but you might feel some slight discomfort, especially if you've just used it on the nose area. The texture of the strip is a bit firm, so if you're not careful while removing it, it can cause some pulling. Let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, the product's performance is strong. It cleans, purifies, and helps with pore tightening, and the marine plant extracts add a nice, soothing touch. Plus, it's travel-friendly, which is always a bonus. On the downside, the removal process might be a little intense for sensitive skin, and I also wish it came in a larger pack. It's convenient to have 3 strips, but if you're using it regularly, you may go through them quickly. As for value, the price feels pretty reasonable considering how well it works. A pack of 3 strips can last you a while, depending on how often you use them, and it delivers good results for the price point. It's not the cheapest option, but you're paying for quality and performance, which I think justifies the cost. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other pore strips out there, but what sets this one apart is the addition of the marine plant extracts, which really set it apart from other charcoal-based options. If you don't want to spend as much, you could try something like Bior's pore strips, which are a bit more affordable, but don't offer the same skin-nourishing ingredients. Overall, I think TONYMOLY's Tako Pore One-Shot Nose Pack is a solid choice for anyone dealing with oily skin or large pores. It does what it claims, deep cleanse, tightens, and controls shine, while also offering a soothing, nourishing touch with those marine extracts. If you have sensitive skin, though, be cautious about how often you use it to avoid irritation. If you're intrigued and want to give this a try, check the comments below for a link. And if you've already used this product, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Stay beautiful, inside and out, and I'll see you in the next one.